equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by powering off your Caelum Information Conga 1590 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components. Locate the battery, which is typically situated near the bottom of the device. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to visually inspect the battery for any signs of swelling or leakage. If you notice any abnormalities, it may be time to replace the battery. Now, using the multimeter, set it to the DC voltage setting. Carefully disconnect the battery from the device and connect the multimeter probes to the battery terminals. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts. If your reading is significantly lower, this indicates a potential issue with the battery. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you identify the problem without any pressure to commit to repairs. After testing the battery, it's essential to clean the internal components. Use a lint-free cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently wipe down the battery compartment and any connectors. This will help ensure a good connection when you reassemble the device. Once everything is clean and dry, reconnect the battery and replace the back panel. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to prevent any rattling or movement during use. Before you power on the device, double-check that all connections are secure. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your device serviced without the hassle of travel. Finally, power on your Caelum Information Conga 1590 and monitor its performance. If the battery issue persists, it may be time to consider a replacement. We offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision about how to proceed with your device. By following these steps, you can effectively diagnose and address battery issues in your Caelum Information Conga 1590, ensuring it runs smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.